Many people are interested in the types of learning options that we have here at OCtech for this fall. We're very fortunate in the fact that flexibility is part of our mission, because we know that under normal circumstances, that we have to accommodate the flexibility needs of people's work schedules and life schedules. One, obviously, is the traditional online class. Online learning doesn't mean that you're learning alone. Our courses offer many different options. Technology gives us lots of flexibility. Your online course may offer discussion boards. It may offer virtual academies or virtual classrooms. There may be projects and group work that may be done. In addition, there'll be lectures that are recorded, and the advantage of that is you can watch that lecture over and over again. In addition, there are the flexible offerings called hybrids, and hybrids really at OCtech take on two formats. One would be a laboratory course offered in a hybrid format. Hybrid just means that the course is delivered partially online and partially face-to-face. In a lab course, that may mean that your lecture portion of the course is delivered online, and the lab portion is delivered in a traditional classroom lab setting. In addition, the classrooms that are hybrid classrooms, the traditional lecture-based classrooms, may be scheduled for twice a week, but you attend only one of those days. But something new this fall is called Synchronous Learning. So these lecture-based courses can be delivered to you right in your home, and you can participate online, but actually participate in the classroom. You can ask questions, you can listen to what your other classmates are saying, and participate fully in the classroom, but within your own home.